Good morning from the roof of BBC Scotland HQ. It's Saturday the 8th of July and we're back, baby. But, where is everyone? Joe, Shereen, wake up! We're on! Ah!
Joe, wake up! It's Saturday!
What?
We're on! We need to get to the studio!
Welcome to Saturday Mashup, and if you think we weren't ready, please think again.
That's right, because we are always ready!
Mashup is definitely back, and we are here with you every single Saturday for the rest of the year, people.
That's right, things are back, and they are bigger and better than ever. We've got cartoons from this guy, it's Grizzy. Good morning, Grizzy. He is brand new to CBBC and exclusive to Mashup. It's going to be coming real soon. Grizzy and the Lemmings.
Yeah, here, Big Bird. And there's loads of crazy games as well involving bird poo and dinosaurs, all kinds of stuff. Oh, there's one, they don't dinos. And a caveman. Definitely wasn't scripted.
You all right, Joe?
Yeah.
And we've got celebrity guests like these guys. It's Sam and Danny from Radio 1. And Britain's Got Talent finalist Kelly and O'Connor.
Yes. But hey, sorry to, drop the news, guys, but there's not going to be any slime this series.
Oh, you're joking, what?
I'm very serious. No, I am actually joking. There's going to be loads!
Yes!
A little bit like this.
Oh, listen, all that chaos and so much more. You're right.
Yeah, sorry about that, Leah. She loves it. Plus, we've got loads of chances for you to take part live at home. Don't believe me? Well, over to you, Toby from Renfrewshire. It's lovely, look.
Thanks, Joe and Shereen. I'm Toby, and here's what's coming up on the brand new series of Saturday Mashup Live.
It's a brand new series, so that can only mean one thing.
I've had my yearly wash.
Ew, no.
Oh.
It means we've got a lorry load of great stuff. Wait, hold on. You only wash once a year?
Stanley will be saving up some deuce when he investigates the world of Wimbledon with Claire Balding. Deuce, juice, it's a tennis reference.
No jokes, please, Joe. He's the Irish pop charmer who had all of Glasgow jumping last night. We'll have music from Niall Horan later on.
And we'll be hearing from one of the country's top comedians.
Your barber, Joe.
This is a good haircut, this. No, it's Britain's Got Talent winner Axel Blake. Find out why he loves seeing people's teeth.
Plus, as well as Grizzy, there's a return of Ninja Express and, new to Mashup, Taffy.
If you thought finding a £5 note down the back of the sofa was the best thing ever, you're in for an even bigger treat this morning.
So much new stuff coming up. We're only a few minutes in, and of course, it wouldn't be Mashup without the Mashup Mob.
Yeah!
Yes! You're all very excited. Adam, are you excited, pal?
Yes!
All right, mate. I think that's definitely a yes. And I'm very, very pleased to say, joining us every single week all year is the lovely Shereen, everyone.
I'm here a little bit longer to annoy you. And do you know what? All the kids are on summer holidays. Some of you might be going on summer holidays soon, but forget about school because right now it's Saturday Mashup time.
Yeah, people. This is just summer holidays. Yeah. You're so excited, aren't you?
Yes!
Oh, no, right, yeah. I don't even need to mic you. Yes, we are definitely live, and we want to hear from you, our lovely Mashup viewers at home. How are you finding the show so far? It's only been a few minutes, but it's brilliant. Who are you watching it with? Where are you watching it? Let us know over on the CBC website. You can find it there, and you can actually scan our fancy QR code on the screen. Look at that, people. Scan that. Get up off your settings. Get up off the floor. I like to watch telly on the floor.
On the floor, really?
And it brings you to the CBC website, and you can get involved.
As you can see, there's more stuff going on the telly right now than you can shake a stick at. Oh, there's a shaky stick. Nice. Well, all of Scotland's school are on summer holidays, including Stanley. But where is Stanley?